Hello everyone, welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to make a land planner. I have all the tools and parts ready to go. Let's go with the detail what I have. I have a 3 4 by 6 8 foot long boards. I'm going to make only 7 foot long land planner. Then I have a 2 24 inch all thread. It's a ½ inch thick that we are going to use to put all the pieces together. As you can see, I have roughly made some lines where I'm going to cut. That's we are going to use for spacers in the middle, and then we will put all the pieces together. First thing first, now let's cut those pieces, then we will do the rest. So now I have cut all the pieces and we left 7 feet long exactly those pieces, and I also made a couple lines in the middle where we're going to make a hole and pushing these all thread through, and also spacers we're gonna make a hole. Now let's make a hole. It's been a couple of weeks since I have started this land planner, but I didn't finish. I got busy, and now the day we are going to finish and use this land planner. As you can see, I have put all the pieces together, and only the one thing I was trying to figure it out how I am going to pull this one behind my tractor. I was trying to make something here on the extended part where I can put my chain. Then I found these things because I don't have any welder to make it, so I made this one, and I'm going to make hole through. I made already, and I'm going to push those bolts through. Then I will put behind my subcompact tractor and see how it works. Now we are almost ready to pull the land planner and test. As you can see, I put those hooks and I'm using a chain to pull behind my subcompact tractor, and the chain I'm using some bolts to tight, but in the future I will make some hooks and see how this works. I have a small weed in my backyard. See how that planner gonna work. My scraper gonna do all the work, but planner is only to remove the left behind lines from my scraper. Actually, land planner work as expected or more than what I expected. As you can see, my scraper pulling a lot of dirt and leaving some bumps around, and the land planner was keep cleaning. It made my land really flat, and it will be a lot easier for next time to using tractor. So now that's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next video with the new topic.